Everyone knows that if we flick the right stick twice backwards, our player performs a turn-back skill move. And it's useless because it's slow and predictable. But did you know that if we flick the right stick twice backwards, and once we see our player starts turning back, we cancel it by pressing R2 and L2, we get one of the most effective skill moves that helps you get rid of defenders. Let me show you how it works in real matches. I made a pass to my striker. Now I'm going toward the box. But this defender is chasing me, trying to cut off my run. I flick the right stick twice backwards. Then I press L2 and R2 to cancel the turn back. The defender got fooled, and now we finish it in the net. Again, I was playing pro clubs with my mates. I got the ball, but this defender is pressuring me. He is trying to cut off the passing line. I flick the right stick twice backwards. Then I press L2 and R2 to cancel the turn back. The defender got fooled and gave us space to make the pass.